tornado emergency for northwest Wichita. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Sedgwick County until 6:20 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a confirmed large and violent tornado was observed 7 miles northeast of Goddard, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for northwest Wichita. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. You can expect a damaging tornado. Source: spotter confirmed tornado. Impacts: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be disintegrated into dust from this tornado. Businesses, homes, and vehicles will be completely destroyed and mangled. Complete devastation is likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. Locations that will be hit by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wichita, northwest Wichita, Mays, Goddard, Westlink Village, Valley Center, and Park City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or a sturdy interior room on the lower central floor of a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. If you have prepared a survival kit for situations like this, take it with you. If in a mobile home, chances of you surviving are slim to none. If you are in a vehicle, your last resort is to cover head and body with your hands in a low ditch. This includes Interstate 235 between mile markers 13 and 17. Take cover now. This is an emergency situation.